Undercover agents going inside Ohio bars and restaurants to make sure they're in compliance with state health orders.
That means making sure their customers are keeping their distance. Today, News 5's Tracy Carlos found out the majority are playing by the rules, but those who are not might just ruin it for everyone.
4 local establishments with liquor permits slapped with fines after agents did not like what they saw. All of them cited with improper conduct and disorderly activity. At both Dante's Inferno and Backyard Bocce, agents say they saw patrons congregating with no social distancing measures in place. They were also spotted playing games without social distancing. At Forward, agents say hundreds of people were packed in there, and they saw what they call egregious violations of health department orders. People dancing on top of bars and tables, and social distancing measures non-existent. Investigators say this location was not serving food and was operating only as a dance club. Club Paradise cited twice in as many days. Agents say more than 150 people were in a confined space with no social distancing measures in place. And according to that report, patrons, dancers, and staff at the Gentlemen's Club were having repeated direct contact. The next day, the club got a second violation. This weekend alone, 311 bars and restaurants were checked, with the vast majority following the rules. The special agent in charge of OIU told me they preferred to educate business owners and then move to citations.
When it's the egregious hundreds of people dancing on tables, there is absolutely no efforts by employees or staff or permit holders to try and have the social distancing, trying to make sure people are safe. Yeah, that's unfortunately where the violation notices get issued.
You've most likely seen pictures and video of people not wearing masks, packed into bars and restaurants who are not following any social distancing guidelines. And this is an effort to curb that type of behavior. There are teams of agents from the Ohio Investigative Unit checking to make sure Ohio Department of Health orders in place to reduce the spread of the coronavirus are being followed. Agents ticketed 7 liquor permitted establishments, and 4 of the locations were right here in Cleveland.
A lot of our a lot of our enforcement efforts have been complaint driven because we have been working jointly with the Department of Health there, and they've been telling us the information that they're receiving.
Teams of OIU agents, Cleveland police, fire, and health officials have been tracking complaints now for weeks. The next step for those establishments who were cited is a hearing with liquor control and a panel of 3 judges. Those judges could fine the establishments, suspend their licenses, or take them away. And by the way, I reached out to all of the places cited in our area. We have not heard back. Tracy Carlos, News 5.